Welcome to Carpenter Court. Carpenter Court is a sheltered housing complex located in the heart of Perth City Centre. Sheltered housing allows you to live independently in your own property while having a housing support officer on site who will offer housing advice and ensure the properties are properly maintained. Here at Carpenter Court, we have 39 flats in total, including 3 two-bedroom flats and 36 one-bedroom flats. The access to the complex is via a secure door entry system. The building is fully accessible and there's a lift access to the upper floors.
I'll be coming up for near 5 years I've been here. And my other house I was in, I loved it, but unfortunately it was stairs. And it was a big step moving, of course, but never regretted it. I just love here. And everybody's so friendly, it's like a big family. We look out for each other, you know. It's really been a good move. And the size of the flats, you see, it is great. And it's so central. But just feeling secure here, it makes such a difference, you know. And it's been a reassurance for my family too. In fact, I keep telling people, you should, well, at the age I am, they're a similar age, and they're talking about, having to give up their house, and I'm always plugging sheltered housing here.
Each property has an alarm system in place, with pull cords that can be used in the event of an emergency. Within our building, we have a communal accessible toilet which is fully adapted for tenants to use. We also have a communal laundry facility on the ground floor, with modern appliances and ample drying space. Carpenter Court has a lovely communal lounge, which is used for social events. The lounge is well attended for a variety of gatherings, and all tenants are welcome to join. Outside, we have a large communal garden with several sitting areas that tenants can use to sit and enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The building also has street parking nearby for visitors, as well as 6 scooter pods that are available for rental from the council. If you need any further information about Carpenter Court, you can visit www.pkc.gov.uk/sheltered housing.